Okay, I'm just going to go over some stuff on Linux and just show you a couple things. Okay, so we'll open up a terminal. To open up a terminal, you can usually add a shortcut. It's Control-Alt-T usually, and most Linuxes come with that enabled. But I'll show you where to add it. It's in Keyboard, and then you just go down to Shortcuts, Custom Shortcuts. I already have it in. But if you want to add, you put the name and then you put the command for the program you want to open up, and then you can go over here and put the accelerator. So I'm going to use Control-Alt-T. It's the standard, pretty much terminal hotkey command. Anyway, so we'll go into a few commands. This is the first one. You use the change directory command, and we'll just typo, oops. So CD, and then like you can CD into other folders, like you can CD longer paths, but we'll just go ahead and I'll show you CD, and that'll get you into a directory by typing CD and the name of the directory. And some of them are CD like this with a slash, and some of them are just like the name. Once you're in the working directory, you just can use the name of the directory and you don't have to use the /. And then there's a cd dash command, which will bring you out of the directory back into the previous working directory. Okay, so now that you know that, that's kind of useful stuff to know. We'll go ahead and we'll show you the ls command, and this will show you, like, I don't really have a lot in here, but this will show you like what's in the directory. And then there's some options with ls, like lsl, like it'll tell you a little bit about it, when the file was created or whatever, the size of it, and you can, and if you want to know about a command, you can just type in man and then the command, and you can see all the neat options and switches for it. ls command has quite a few, and there's a lot of stuff you can do, viewing directories and whatnot, so ls is pretty useful. It's similar to the dir command in Windows. So let's see what else we got here. So if you want to CD into, say like something like that, and then you can kind of see what's in there. That's basically, so CD and ls come in pretty handy. Another really cool command is the history command. You can see like all the stuff you've done. As you can see, there's a few hundred lines in here, just of and this is pretty useful if you want to come back through your command line history and write a script to automate stuff you've done already. Also helpful if you want to write out a tutorial for someone who maybe isn't that familiar with Linux. And so the history command is really useful. Those are probably the top 3 commands that you really need to know on Linux. I'll show you a couple other ones here in the next video.